In this unit, you studied narrative tenses, the name we give to past tenses that we use for telling stories. Let's have a look at them again. Janine tells a friend what happened to her neighbour Sam last Saturday. Listen to her story.
I was watching TV when I heard a shout. I looked out and saw that Sam's house was on fire, so I phoned 999 and then ran out to help. A fire engine soon arrived. It seems the fire started because Sam had gone out and left the stove on. It had been burning for a while before anyone noticed it.
Janine says, I was watching TV when I heard a shout. The past continuous verb, was watching, describes what Janine was doing when she heard the shout. Janine says, the fire started because Sam had gone out and left the stove on. The past perfect simple verbs had gone out and had left describe what happened before the fire started. Janine also says, it had been burning for a while before anyone noticed it. The past perfect continuous verb had been burning describes an action that happened over a period of time until the fire was noticed. Let's look at a table which summarizes how we use the main narrative tenses. When we describe the main events of a story in the order they happened, we use the past simple. We use the past continuous to say what was in progress when something happened. When we are talking about an event in the past, we can use the past perfect simple or continuous to connect it to an earlier past time. When do we use the past perfect simple, and when do we use the past perfect continuous? Let's look at another table. We can use the past perfect simple and continuous to focus on a result of something that happened earlier. His boss was angry because he had forgotten to send the report, and the town looked beautiful because it had been snowing. You can also use the past perfect simple and continuous to measure a period of time. We use the simple form to measure a past state. We use the continuous form to measure a past action. When you are ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no.